Welcome back, adventurers. 10 tips for new D&D players in 60 seconds. Let's go. Use a character from a movie, show, or book as a template. It's a great starting point for inspiration for any character. Learn the dice. When you learn them well enough, you start to catch on to what dice you'll need for which situation and which one you'll almost never touch. Your skills do not limit what you can do with your action. Just because you're proficient in one thing does not mean your character can't try to perform another skill. Players can use the help action to give other players advantage on rolls. This is not game breaking, and it's there for a reason. Help each other out. Temporary hit points do not stack. Sorry, you only get one. You can cast 2 spells in one turn as long as one of the spells is a cantrip and one of them is a bonus action. Get emotionally invested in the other player characters too, not just your own. Make plans based on other characters' abilities. If your party's wizard has a knack for persuasion, let them take the lead in the conversation. Embrace every roll, even critical failures. Your critical failure can add so much to the story. Roll with it and have fun. Learn to redirect the spotlight. Give your other party members the time to be the center of the story every now and then, or let them come up with plans. There you have it, 10 tips in 60 seconds. We hope these help all of you new players out there. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, feed your Displacer Beasts, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.